What's up, Slippers?
Hi.
Oh, hi. Yep, it's Wednesday. Oh, there's so much stuff here right now. Sean D was doing his Pikachu.
Pikachu Lego.
That looks like so much fun.
It does look
he
like
still
fun.
has what, like 3 bags left?
Yeah, just about. Some finishing touches.
He stayed up late last night. He loves to do them all in one day. I'm like, spread it out a little. These are expensive. Let the creativity last a little bit. Don't do it as fast as you can. But today's Wednesday, and that means it's shopping day. And we did the usual round of stores. We did Sam's Club, Target, Michael's. Look who came running in. There she is.
Run, run, run!
Lammy!
Oh, Bubby.
Bubby, what are you doing?
What are you doing? It's playtime. It's playtime.
We did Michael's and Aldi. So we started off at Sam's Club. And I have to say, I don't know if you guys have tried this or not yet, but this Tide Evo detergent is my all-time favorite laundry detergent. Of all time.
Remember how revolutionary
The pods were?
pods were?
Yeah. I remember watching European vlogs, and they would have these pods, and I was like, where are they getting these things from? I've never seen these things before. They were amazing, but these are so much better. They come in a cardboard box, so there's no like big plastic jugs or anything. And let me see if I can open. I don't want to open it right now, but they're these little packets that like completely dissolve in like a minute. And in the car, we went to Sam's Club first and got this first. And every time we got back into the car smelled so good. Oh, such a good scent. And this is the original scent. It's very, very good. I love it. These say medium load laundry tiles, but you don't need more than one of these for a big load of laundry. Sometimes I use 2 pods for a load of laundry, but these you definitely only need one all the time. Like that's a decent amount of laundry detergent. Sometimes the more detergent you use, the less effective it is for some reason. I don't know why. Like sometimes it leaves some residue in your clothes, especially if you have a high efficiency washer, which I do, which doesn't use as much water as normal washing, you know, old time washing machines that used to fill it up to the top of the tub. And if that laundry detergent gets left in your clothes and doesn't rinse out, it actually attracts more dirt. So I love these. They're fantastic. I couldn't recommend them more highly. And I'm not sponsored. I wish I was. Because I absolutely love those. Just even for the fact that it comes in a cardboard box. I love that. So much easier than filling up the recycle bin with those giant plastic tubs that like are going to be in the environment forever. Because I don't know what they do to those. Also at Sam's Club, I got what Sean likes to refer to as lots of paper. I think that started as I need paper for my printer. So I would go up to Sean because Sean would always have the paper in his desk. And I would say, can I please have some paper? And he would hand me a stingy 1 slice of paper. And I said, Sean, no, I want lots of paper. So then he would hand me 2 slices, and I would just be like, Sean, I want lots of paper. So from then on, he's always referred to paper as lots of paper. This is something new. Can you believe it? There's still new things coming out. Protein pretzels. With all of the GLP-1s and 2s and 3s and whatever they have now, I think they even have like, they're working on like 4 different GLPs or whatever. Everybody wants more protein. So this has 10 grams of protein per serving, which is pretty decent. And it is pea protein. It's not whey protein. Thank you, Oots. Thank you. That's all I got to say. I'm so tired of all the whey protein. I can't eat it. I want more protein too. So give me more pea protein. I already buy the, what is that called? The Lenny and Larry's protein pretzels, which are really good. But they're like 400 calories for a bag. And of course, they have to make them in freaking big bags. Which, if you put it in front of me, I'm going to eat it. But I don't want 400 calories at one sitting. So I like these. They have the pea protein. Well, I haven't tried them yet, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to like them because you can adjust the portion size to what you want it to be. Tonight is Mexican night, so I had to get some tortilla chips. And Sean is all out of lunchbox snacks, so I know he loves Rice Krispie treats, so I got him some Rice Krispie treats. And I got a case of water, full disclosure. Because Sean cannot be trusted with a water bottle. I can't trust him to not throw it out at program. So I usually send in water bottles with him, you know, disposable or recyclable. So then we went to Target, and I think like the only thing that I got basically was these waters. So we got root beer float, and we got blackberry lemonade. Because we're gonna be making dirty sips.
Yeah.
So you're wanting to try the dirty sips.
Yes.
But the food truck that has the dirty sips is going to be closed tonight by the time...
They close by the time I'm going home, so we'll do that another time, like when we're able to, but Sean and I are going to make our own.
Yeah, make those dirty sips. I made some like a month ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, and I used the Dr. Death soda. I don't even know if you'd call it a soda. It's more of like a flavored seltzer. And some cold foam oat cream. And the second time I used just coffee creamer, and it was just as good. Maybe even better. And because the coffee creamer had more flavor to it than the cold foam. And some chocolate syrup drizzled on the glass. And it was just so delicious. Whoever started up these dirty sips again, I mean, it's basically an elevated egg cream.
Yeah.
From back in the day of when they had the soda shops, the candy shops, and you could go to the soda fountain and get an egg cream. But there's no egg in an egg cream, by the way. Just in case you were wondering. After that, we went to Michael's. We're not going to talk about that because that's nothing practically. Then we went to Aldi, where we got doggy blankets. These were $5 a piece, but they're just so cute. At Sam's Club, they had patriotic dog blankets. And you know we are a sucker for the dog blankets. But they had a thinner, lightweight version, and it is going to be summer. You know, 4th of July is in summer here, and it gets pretty hot in the Northeast, you know, despite what you might think. Because right now, today it was like in the 50s. Well, it was this morning. But, it's still only May, but I love these blankets. One of them has a hot dog in a hot dog costume on here. So I also still want to get the 250th specialty flag for the birthday of our country. Because even though our country is in kind of a mess right now, I still am part of the United States, and I'm still proud to be an American. So, yeah. We also got a rechargeable hanging fan for our tent for the hot season. Sometimes you really cook in the tent when we're vending for our crochet. So even just a little bit of a breeze will help a lot. You don't have to even hang it from the tent. I think this shows that like you can even just it's got feet on here, so you could like put it on a table as well. Yeah, they show it on a table right here. So I hope that's good. Hope it's not crap. Oh, I got this at Target too. The Morningstar Farms. They rebranded. It says it right there. New look. Crispy chicken nuggets. Obviously, these aren't the greatest for me because they have wheat in them, but I can have a nugget here or there. Plus, there are other people in the family who eat that as well. Got Mark's provolone cheese for his pizza. We got some spicy tomatoes. Our new favorite guilty pleasure, which is these fudge cookies. They're really good. We keep it to 2, so it's not a problem. We can handle it. It's not like we're cookie-holics, where we'll sit down and we can't help ourselves, you know, and eat the whole pack. We can limit ourselves to 2 most of the time. Some taco seasoning, because they didn't have the big container, and I forgot to look at Sam's Club. Some vegan shreddies, cukes, green onion, French fries, my favorite organic filet, some broccoli, broccoli, some Wild Wonders, my favorite tomatoes, and whoops, oh, I almost dropped that one on the floor. I got 3 of these fizzers. I think these are supposed to be a knockoff on Bubblers, which are, it's like an energy drink. It's like antioxidant and caffeine in it. So I forgot to bring a drink this morning after breakfast. So I said, oh, I'll get a drink. And I got one of those, and I have to say it was pretty tasty. And I'm pretty buzzed right now. My butt's not dragging on the floor. So that is...
Buzzed as in energy, not inebriated.
Right. Because it's got caffeine. Plus I'm feeling rejuvenated from the antioxidant in there too. So that's everything that we got. I got to put some stuff away. I got to jump right back in the car to pick up Sean. Hopefully he's in a great mood. It's Wednesday. He gets French fries on Wednesday, so he should be in a good mood. Hopefully.
Hi.
Oh, I was about to say it's Monday, but it's Thursday.
It's Thursday. Very different than Monday.
Yeah, but still dreary. It doesn't look dreary from this shot, but it is.
Yeah, it's definitely going to rain later.
Yeah.
But what are you
Is it
going to do?
gonna rain tomorrow?
The plants need the water. Tomorrow? Let's take a look. Tomorrow.
It's supposed to be
I don't
hot
think so.
coming up this week.
Tomorrow, 64, cloudy, but I don't think it's going to rain.
I think Monday and Tuesday, possibly
hot.
Sunday.
Wednesday.
Yeah. Hot.
We're going to have a few, it's a little mini heat wave,
And then I guess a cold front's coming through.
I guess.
And it's gonna bring the little pitter-patter.
Gotta take it one day at a time, you know?
Yeah.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Because if you didn't know, we have our first 2-day market next week.
Yeah, next weekend.
Not this weekend. Next weekend.
I'm trying not to, like,
Look.
panic look at the weather, because it's just too far out. Like, it can change before. There's no point in looking at it right now.
Mm-hmm.
You're just gonna torture yourself.
Don't
do it.
I just hope it's not as bad as Alien Fest.
Yeah.
Because that was bad.
I don't want to do another downpour like that. That was really rough.
That was crazy. We had to set up the tent before we even unpacked the car.
Yeah.
Yikes.
It was bad. But we're pushing that out of our minds. We're not manifesting that. We're
Out of
manifesting
sight,
good weather.
out of mind. GVO.
Yes.
Good weather.
Yes. But tonight is the live stream.
Woohoo!
Can't wait to chat with everyone.
Yes, and I went to the post office today and I picked up Robin Sumner's package.
Yes, so we will be opening that during the stream tonight.
So exciting. Thank you guys in advance.
Yes, thank you so much.
That was very, very sweet of you.
Absolutely.
We really appreciate you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Also, did I already say there was no birthday shout-outs?
No, but you're saying it now.
There's no birthday shout-outs! Which I find crazy because I feel like May is a big month for birthdays.
But I've found, like, a lot of times they're just, like, clustered, you know?
Yeah.
We get, like, huge clusters of birthdays and then, like, nothing.
Right.
So, who knows?
I sure don't. There was a lot of May birthdays in my family.
Yeah, that's right.
So, I don't know. But anyway. I don't know what I was going to say now. I've been crocheting so much.
Yeah, it's been a good day so far.
I've been doing my paperwork. I sent it off in the mail today.
Yeah, kiss it goodbye.
Yup. It's out of my head.
Exactly. So now you don't
I'm
have to
good
worry
till
about that
next
for a
year.
little bit.
Yep.
So that's good.
And what have you been doing today?
I had lunch with a friend today, which was very nice to catch
How
up.
nice.
Yes.
I'm so happy for that.
Wonderful. And after that, hung out with Sean for a little bit, and then I came over here.
Yeah. Good.
can't complain.
No, you shouldn't.
It's been a good day today, so.
It's been a productive day today.
Yes.
It's been a quiet, for the most part, day today. I didn't realize that my son was chowing down on the Rice Krispies treats unbeknownst to me.
She found a lot of wrappers in the garbage.
Oh my gosh. What have I done?
Those have been hidden.
Yeah, they're hidden now. I didn't think I needed to do that anymore, but apparently I do.
He's been snacking a lot lately.
Yeah.
Hello. What are you doing?
Oh, help me, the poo.
Sean, you want to say hi to everyone?
Say hello to everyone?
No.
No, he's busy.
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh. He's getting into like recitation time.
I think he's getting his animals ready for the, I don't know what you want to call
the
it.
show later. Sherry Lewis.
The floor show.
Yeah. All right. Well, anyway, thank you all so much for watching. We hope you have a wonderful weekend.
Yeah.
And hopefully we see some of you guys at the live stream tonight to chat.
Yeah, that'll be a lot of fun.
Yes, we can all commiserate
And
together
of
about
course,
Survivor.
Yes. Oh my God. Don't even start. Also, we have a crochet video coming out tomorrow.
Yes, we
And
got a lot of
it
fun
is an entire week's worth of plushies. Usually we only do a few days at a time.
Yeah.
This week, it's an entire week. So if you're into crochet or plushies, or you just want to hear us yabber on about crochet,
Tomorrow we have a lot of good stuff.
tomorrow's the day. You should
Yeah.
go check it out. Okay.
All right. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. We will see you soon. And until then, much love.
Bye, everybody.